Working on the farm, free to roam, making it estates their happy home. Clucking and scratching all through the day, finding little insects along the way. Yeah, yeah. Grains in the morning, water to sip, keeps them healthy, quick on the tip. Hay in the barn where they snuggle tight, laying their eggs from morning to night. Yeah, yeah. Short wings they have, but they don't mind. Their legs are strong, they're quick to find the coziest spot as evening falls. Back to the coop, they hear nature's calls. Yeah, yeah. Eggs in abundance, plenty to share. Happy chickens with love and care. On the farm, they're free and bold, a story of chickens forever told. Ducklings in their wooden house, snug and warm, as quiet as a mouse. Soft grass inside, so safe and sweet, they sleep so sound on their grassy seat. Yeah, yeah. Out to the pond they swim with glee, happy little ducks as free as can be. Splashing and diving, having fun, swimming all day in the warm bright sun. Yeah, yeah. Fully in the pond they munch and peck, full and content they stretch the neck. One by one they lay their eggs, waddling away on their tiny legs. Yeah. Soft, soft feathers falling down, gather them up without a frown. Into the bucket feathers go, making pillows soft and slow. Yeah, yeah. Ducks and ducklings, big and small, happy and healthy, that's best of all. With care and love, they grow so bright in the wooden house each night. In the warm machine where the eggs do lay, tiny ostrich chicks grow day by day. Out they come, safe and sound, into the compound they run around. Yeah, yeah. With water and food they play and eat, their feathers fall softly at our feet. Feathers collected, light and bright, for fans and purses, oh what a sight. In the warm machine where the eggs do lay, tiny ostrich chicks go day by day. Out they come, safe and sound, into the compound they run around. Yeah, yeah. With water and food they play and eat, the feathers fall softly at our feet. Feathers collected, light and bright, for fans and purses, oh what a sight. The eggs are gathered in buckets wide, safe and sound, we set them aside. Ostriches are big, too heavy to fly, but they run so fast beneath the sky. Colors are brushed on feathers so fine, making them lovely in every design. The largest birds, strong and tall, ostriches are amazing after all. The ants have a world so neat and small, let's watch them closely and see it all. In their glass box, we'll clean the space, clear dry leaves and trash from their place. Yeah, yeah. A treat of sweet we'll give them to eat, and make their home a cozy retreat. With water tubes for them to sip, they'll drink and play without a slip. Watch them now, so happy and free, in their little boxes, busy as can be. And commanders on their own, they're trying to understand. I haven't made through the be so great together, honey, day and night. Near the forest sweet food we lay, so buzzing bees come out to play. And bring it back to their little retreat. In their hive they work with care, filling it with honey, rich and rare. We gather the honey in a jar so clear. treasure near. Bees with wings, they buzz and fly, making honey under the sky. With pollination, they help flowers grow. Busy little bees working in a glow.